How to make a homemade flea and tick repellent. Many flea and tick repellents are full of chemicals, and are pretty harsh on animals with sensitive skin. Luckily, there is an easy home remedy that will keep your fur babies flea and tick free, and it can be made in minutes with a few household ingredients. Things you will need: ½ cup distilled water, ½ cup apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, clean spray bottle, washcloth. Step 1. Add ½ cup of water to a spray bottle. Step 2. Add ½ cup of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar and lemon juice are natural flea and tick repellents. Step 3. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Step 4. Replace spray bottle lid and shake well. How to use. Step 1. Apply the mixture to a washcloth. Step 2. Apply to your pet's coat using the washcloth. Instead of spraying the mixture directly onto your pet's coat, apply it to a clean cloth first and gently massage into your pet's fur.